Can you remove followers all at once on Instagram? So let's get started. Unfortunately, Instagram does not provide a built in option to remove followers all at once. However, there are methods you can use to remove multiple followers efficiently. Firstly, Instagram allows you to remove followers one at a time. You can simply open your Instagram, then tap on the followers and find the follower you want to remove and simply tap on the remove option available there. While this is time consuming, it is the safest way to manage your followers without risking your account. Now, the another best method is creating a new account. If managing a large number of unwanted followers is overwhelming, consider creating a new Instagram account and starting fresh. Now, if none of this work, then try reporting to the Instagram support. Simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner, scroll down, tap on the help, then tap on report a problem, then tap on report without shaking, then tap on include and continue. Now here write down the problem you are facing, that you want to remove a large amount of followers all at once. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.